Hello viewers, today this is our lesson number 5. In this lesson we will cover lower row. See how to do this. Important thing to remember, the finger that we use to type letter A in guide row will not type out any letter from lower row. So my finger on letter S will type letter Z. My finger on letter D will type X. Finger on F will type C. Similarly, semicolon will type full stop. L will type comma. K will type M. J will type N. See how I do this. A, S, Z, D, X, F, C, space, semicolon, full stop, L, O, K, M, J, N. I repeat, A, S, Z, D, X, F, C, space, semicolon, full stop, L, comma, K, M, J, N. I am sure this lesson will be well understood by you. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.